Hey everyone, welcome back to BeTech. Today I am going to dive into an exciting website that many of you have been asking about: how to make money online. In this video, I will explore how to earn an income from the comfort of your own home. So let's get started. The name of this website is eprice.club. The link to this website is available in the video description. So first of all, you need to create an account here. For that, enter your email address, then login password and security password. Enter your Telegram address and click on sign up. After you will see the announcement tab. Here you can see for the first deposit of 558 USDT or more, a 3% bonus will be given and the cash will be withdrawn immediately. And for the first deposit above 1558 USDT, a 6% bonus will be given and the cash will be withdrawn immediately. And for the first deposit above 3558 USDT, a 30% bonus will be given. VIP 1 invest 18 USDT and earn 3.6 USDT every day. And in VIP 2, invest 58 USDT and earn 11.6 USDT. And in VIP 3, 258 USDT and earn 51 USDT every day. Invest 558 USDT and earn 111.6 USDT every day. And in VIP 5, invest 1558 USDT and earn 311 USDT. So you can read all the details here in VIP 6, 7, 8 and 9. How much you can earn. Click on I now. And here you can see the main home screen of the website. At the home screen you can see we have team button, share button, deposit button and withdraw button. So when you create an account on this website for the first time, you will get 18 USDT for free. So at the bottom we have different tabs like home, mission, team, VIP and mine. So to invest here, first of all you need to make a deposit. Click on deposit button and here is your address. Copy this address or scan this QR code and please do not recharge over non-TRC USDT assets and it will arrive in your account in about 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. So copy your link and after it open your Binance account or your wallet where you have funds. Click on withdraw, select USDT. Paste the address, choose network, Tron TRC20, enter the amount that you want to deposit and click on withdraw. After successfully withdraw, click on recharge completed and it will arrive in your account in about 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. Then you need to go into the VIP section. And here you can see they have different level VIP 1, VIP 2, 3, 4 as I have explained earlier that how much you can earn if you invest in VIP 2 and VIP 3. Here you can read in for example I have VIP 4 plan. In VIP 4 and my daily profit is $111.6 and total profit $20,000. In VIP 5, daily task 4 and daily profit $311. If you want to unlock VIP 5, you must have 1576 USDT. And you can see all the VIP plans and their daily profit. So I have VIP 4 and I have daily task 2. So to complete the task, click on mission. And here you can see I have 2 missions. Click on go to finish. And as you can see complete successfully. Then click on go to finish. Complete successfully. And if I click on completed tab, I have completed both the tasks and I have earned $111. So if you want to withdraw your money, you can go to withdraw section. But before that, But before that, let me tell you one thing. If you want to invite your friends on this platform to earn together, you can copy the link and invite your friends on this platform to earn together. And you will also get some percentage. For example, if a member recharge 1000 USDT, you will get 9% and you will get 90 USDT. And if B members recharge 1000 USDT, you will get 2% and C member recharge 1000 USDT and you will get 1%. So you can assume how much you can earn on this platform. So to withdraw your profit, click on withdraw. Enter the withdrawal amount. My today's balance is 111 USDT. Enter your Tron address, TRC20, and enter your security password. Then click on confirm. As you can see, withdrawal successful and it will reach into my account within 2 to 3 minutes. So you can also refer and earn rewards. You can copy the link and share it with your friends to earn together. So now let's see, I have received the amount. Open my Binance wallet and go to history. And at the top you can see I have received 111 USDT. So with this easy method, you can earn money online. The link to this website is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.